As we are heading towards the year end, we had so far 42 IPOs hitting the primary market in the last 10 months. A much awaited new entrant from Tata Group is Tata Technologies. It's been nearly 2 decades since the last IPO from Tata Group. TCS IPO was in the year 2004. This video will throw light on Tata Technologies IPO and what should be your call on this. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. About Tata Technologies. Tata Technologies Limited is an Indian multinational product engineering company founded in the year 1989. It was set up as an automotive design unit of Tata Motors. It was hived off as a separate company in the year 1994, with Tata Motors continuing to hold a majority stake and be its biggest client. Tata Technologies first filed the draft prospectus with SEBI in March 2023. Now it's all set to debut the primary market in December 2023. It's an offer for sale and it will offload 15% stake. IPO details at a glance. The entire IPO of Tata Technologies Limited is an offer for sale, so there would be no pumping of funds into the company. The OFS selling will be by the promoter shareholders and the investor shareholders. Tata Motors, who is the promoter shareholder, offer 462.75 lakh shares. Tata Capital Growth Fund 1 and Alpha TC Holding, who are the investor shareholders, offer 97.17 lakh shares and 48.58 lakh shares respectively. Currently, the promoters of Tata Technologies Limited have 66.79% stake in the company. Post IPO, it will be reduced to 51.79%. The price band is 475 to 500 and the subscription will be open between 22nd and 24th November 2023. So category wise allocation and lot size. Qualified institutional bidders and non-institutional investors will have 43% and 13% allocation in the net offer respectively. Retail investor will get 30% the net offer reserved for them. Tata Technologies have reserved 3.33% for eligible employees of the company, while 10% of the offer has been reserved for shareholders of Tata Motors. A retail investor can apply for a minimum of 1 lot or 30 equity shares amounting to Rs 15,000. At maximum, a retail investor can bid for 13 lots or 390 shares amounting to Rs 1.95 lakhs. Non-institutional investors need to bid for a minimum of 14 lots or 420 shares, while they can apply for a maximum of 66 lots amounting to Rs 9.90 lakhs. Next, performance of Tata Technologies. Tata Technologies provides engineering and technology service to automobile, aerospace and heavy machinery makers. The company has 19 global delivery centers which is spread over 27 countries. It has a workforce of over 11,000 to 12,000 people. If you see the metrics given here, there is an increase in revenue year on year. Last year, profit is 6,240.37 million and the earnings per share is 15.38. Next, comparison of accounting ratios with listed industry peers. The following peer group has been determined on the basis of companies listed on Indian Stock Exchange whose business profile is comparable to Tata Technologies business in terms of size and business model. If you look at the revenue and EPS, there is a vast difference among its peers. L&T Technologies and Tata Elxsi are nowhere near Tata Technologies. Only KPIT Technologies is somewhat closer. Next, valuation. The current earnings per share is 15.38. The price band for the IPO is 475 to 500. So the PE ratio works out in the range of 30.88 to 32.5x. When compared to peers, only L&T Technology is close to the value. Tata Elxsi and KPIT Technologies are highly overvalued. Tata Technologies is somewhat fairly valued when compared to other companies in the same sector. Next, we are moving to the risk involved in Tata Technologies. The company focuses on top 5 clients, including its chief client, who is Tata Motors. These top 5 clients accounts for the major portion of the revenue. Revenue are highly dependent on clients concentrated in the automotive segment. An economic slowdown or factors affecting this segment may have an adverse effect in the operations of the company. The company is expecting a significant amount of future revenue to come from new energy vehicle companies, many of whom may be startup companies. Uncertainties about their funding plans, future product roadmaps, ability to manage the growth, creditworthiness and ownership change may adversely affect the business. The company had a negative cash flow in the past and may continue to have negative cash flows in the future, which could adversely affect the liquidity and operations. Some of the Tata Group companies like TCS and Tata Elxsi operate in similar line of business, which may lead to competition with these entities and could potentially result in a loss of business opportunity for the company. Next, we are moving on to an important segment. What should be your call as a retail investor? The analysis of standalone metrics and its comparison with peers deposit that the performance is at an average level. The company also poses some risk relating to potential growth. Post listing, there will be some momentum. The stock price may elevate in the initial 3 months. After 3 to 6 months, that is after publishing quarterly results, things may settle down. The noise may subside and you will get to know whether Tata Technologies will create wealth for you. It is advisable not to jump on the bandwagon as it is difficult to cut through the noise and evaluate the company. Conclusion. The brand name Tata Group is an advantage to Tata Technologies. Though the company cross lines within the group companies, Tata Technologies is a purely engineering, research and development company. Down the line, the progress of the company will decide whether it is a good bet for the long run. A detailed blog post on this topic is available in our website and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.